Hey guys, it's Catfish, back with another video. And on today's video, I am ceramic coating a 2022 Hyundai Tucson. And I'm gonna let y'all see the car. I'm in the garage actually. It's an old client of mine. So I'm in the garage right now. And I'm about to let you guys see the car with the ceramic on it. And then I will take y'all back after I take the ceramic off. This is what it looks like with the ceramic on it. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, see guys, I did the windows, the whole car. Yeah. I'm about to take it off now. Y'all see it's a Tucson. It's a 2022. She just got it. So I'm ceramic coating it for her. I got the ceramic on it now. And yeah. Let me let y'all see the top. See? I did the whole panoramic sunroof, the windshield. I actually did the whole truck. So, yeah. So did the wheels too. Y'all see it? So I'm about to take it off. And then I will get back with you guys after I take it off. I'll be back in a second. Hey guys, we back. Now you can see what the finished product look like. Yeah, I did the whole car, the wheels, all the glass. Did all the glass, the back hatch. Did the whole car. Yep, and also I did the sunroof too. I'm gonna take y'all up there. Yeah, we actually ceramic coated the whole panoramic roof as well. Yeah, we did the whole car. All the glass, the wheels, everything. 2022 Hyundai. Oh, look at that, missed the spot. 2022 Hyundai Tucson. This thing is nice, boy. Yep, just got done. I used my Ethos liquid ceramic. You put it on, do the whole car with it. Let it cure for 20 minutes to 30 minutes. I let this stay on 30 today. Since 40, it was 40 degrees today. I see some spots I missed that I gotta get. Yeah, I missed a couple of spots. I see them. That's why I opened the door. Y'all see it? I missed a couple of spots. That's why I opened the door all the way so I could see them to make sure I got them. But yeah, guys, there you have it. Full ceramic coat. Every piece of this car was touched. That's the front of it right there. Look at the lights. It's nice. Hyundai done came a long way, guys. And this is my client's 5th one of these. Yep, she love them. So, yep, there you have it. It's all done. I'm gonna fix a license plate holder for her, and then that's it. It's a H-track 2022 Hyundai Sonata. Yes, sir. I like that, and that's inside. I'm rubbing my hand. That emblem is inside the glass. I really like that. That's a nice little touch. It's got the brushed iodized moldings all the way down the side. It's a nice truck, guys. Hyundai done came a long way. Like I said, this is her 5th one. So she love them, and I'm the one that takes care of them. So there you have it. Ceramic coating of 2022 Hyundai Tucson SUV. Yep. And just like that, this video is over. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.